A very active day weather-wise in the northeastern United States. Right now, the action is back near New York City, western Connecticut. This is late this morning on the radar. Some strong to severe thunderstorms. A tornado warning was already posted for Queens and Brooklyn, New York City. And this action lifting from the south to the north. We've got gusty winds over Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. A very humid air mass in place and a nice setup for some severe weather, especially to our west. Expect tornado watches to be posted for at least the western part of Connecticut and western Massachusetts as the storms that are developing in the New York City area and moving into western Connecticut. There has been some rotation in those storms. Conditions are favorable for that action to continue into this afternoon. We also have another area of some rain. This is the future sky conditions that you can get on rightweather.net. Farther to the west, there's a strong squall line embedded in that line of thunderstorms, and we're going to move through here in the course of the day. So by late this afternoon, we'll watch for any showers and thunderstorms to develop over Rhode Island or southeastern Massachusetts. Anything that spins up could become severe in our neck of the woods late this afternoon. It's something we'll have to monitor pretty closely. We're seeing some sunshine out there today that helps to destabilize the atmosphere. It is very, very humid. That provides moisture, some fuel for the thunderstorms. And on top of that, we have some strong winds just off the surface and really at the surface that are also contributing to the likelihood of seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms developing in New England. Again, it's a higher likelihood in the western part of Connecticut, western Massachusetts than here in Rhode Island or southeastern Mass, but there is the potential for anything that develops to become strong or severe. Heading into the nighttime hours, this strong squall line will move through New York City late this evening, and then most likely it'll be weakening as it approaches southeastern New England by around midnight or shortly thereafter. But that's another thing we're going to have to monitor very closely to see if that squall line holds together. So some strong damaging winds are possible from that, especially western Rhode Island, eastern Connecticut, and up into Worcester County. The system should push offshore, but barely by early tomorrow morning. Showers most likely coming to an end in Rhode Island by around dawn or shortly thereafter. But one of the things that we talked about yesterday was the potential for a wave of low pressure to develop on a stalled front. It looks like that will happen offshore. I think that most of us will see a mainly dry afternoon on Sunday. The exception may be on the Cape and the islands as that system takes its time in getting offshore, and you have that storm developing right along that front, and that could keep some rain places like Nantucket and Cape Cod. In any event, we will be clearing out tomorrow night, and some drier, brisk weather is in the forecast for us on Monday. Large surf and swells continue to roll in off of Tropical Storm Leslie, which may become a hurricane again as it moves farther to the north. Check out rightweather.net throughout the day, and this evening I'll have updates on Twitter and Facebook as well as warranted.